My Switch 2 Joy-Con came back from repair. Let's see what the patch came with. So in here I have what I assume is the Joy-Con. It came in with this piece of paper. Thank you for sending Nintendo accessory or game replacement. We have replaced the product associated with the replacement request. Okay. I will be framing this. Yeah. And let's see what else we have in here. So we have this. It came with the green tag. And here we have a Joy-Con. Looks good. No. If you can hear that. No. And it's really hot. Dude, I have a trip. I won't be able to. It sounds so different. It might be broken. Like. Also, this is hurting my hands with how hot it is. Let's just see if it works. Okay, it thinks it's a new Joy-Con, which means that they didn't send me back the same one. Update. Controller update. No, cancel. Let's see if doing stuff like this is a good idea, or if, like, let's say you bought a brand new Switch 2 like I did, and it came with a controller problem. Should you return the whole thing, or do it? First off, it came worse. It has a problem that I returned my first Switch 2 for. Test buttons. Okay, it has the problem why I sent it in was if you barely press the button, you want to register. But it always registers now. That's good. No. Yeah. But I don't like how that joystick is. I hate this. I mean, it works. I don't know. Should it? Because it took like a month for it to come back. It works fine. It's just the sound.